Hello everyone, welcome to Mark Education Hub. Here, we provide online and offline assistance both for IELTS, OET, and PTE.
So today we are going to learn how to attempt job letters. In IELTS General, if you get a job letter, you may be asked for applying for a job, inquiring for a job, or even asking for a reference. For in such letters, we have to again follow three steps. First of all, making sure that we are clearly mentioning the purpose and introduction. So herein we have to mention the reason for writing the letter in the opening paragraph along with mentioning from where did we got this advertisement news. So we may write I'm writing to apply for the position of XYZ that was advertised in. So this is very important to tell the reader from where you got to know about this job. Next paragraph should definitely mention the highlights of your qualification and relevant experience because this will only make you different from other candidates and an option to be selected. So, herein we have to provide some specific examples of our qualifications, skills, or work experience. For example, I have a degree in, for example, BSc and X years of experience in dash industry, which makes me confident that I can contribute effectively to your organization. Thereafter, we have to make a polite request for the further action. Herein, we may ask for the further steps for the hiring process and thank the reader for their time and even express our interest in discussing the job further. So, we may use a sentence like, Thank you for your kind attention. I look forward to hearing from you soon. So, herein we have the phrases that you may use in your job letter writings. Starting with openings, if you know the name of the person, we have to make sure that we write his last name. So we may use the phrase dear Mr. or Mrs. last name. And if you are talking to a person who is familiar with you, you may use even his first name. Second case, wherein you do not know the name of the person, be blank, just write dear sir or madam or to whomsoever it may concern. Next, we have to start with the introduction paragraph, which is also called the purpose of the letter. Herein, we will write I'm writing to apply for the position of dash that was advertised in dash. Or you may even write, I'm writing to express my interest in the dash opening position of your company. The next paragraph, which is called the body paragraph, herein you have to somehow explain that why you are the suitable candidate among others. So, in this paragraph, we make sure that we provide our qualifications, our relevant experience that make us a good fit for this position. So you may include your previous jobs, your skills, and relevant experience. So phrases that may be used are I believe my experience in Dash and my skills in Dash makes me an ideal candidate for this position. Or my background is which has provided me an excellent dash such as these skills which will help me to contribute effectively to your company. So this makes the reader understand and convinced that he or she may be the good candidate for our company. After expressing how you are suitable, now you have to request for the further information or actions. So you may include the phrases I would appreciate the opportunity to meet you to discuss how my background and skills align with the requirement of the position. Or I would be happy to provide additional information or attend an interview at your earliest convenience. Next paragraph, which is called the closing or the final paragraph, herein we have to politely close the matter, thank the reader for their time and consideration. So you may use, Thank you for considering my application. I look forward for the opportunity to discuss this exciting opportunity with you. Or even, I appreciate your time and look forward to hearing from you regarding the next step in the recruitment process. And yes, please do not forget to sign off the letter by using the phrases yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Purely by using such phrases, you can enhance your writing and reach your target score. Now, let's move on to a sample question along with the answer, which will explain you how to use the phrases well in a writing. So, on the screen, we can see the question. You recently saw a job advertisement for a position you are interested in. So, write a letter to the hiring manager. Write why are you writing? Describe your qualifications or experience. Request a meeting or interview to discuss the application further. So, as I'm expecting that I know the person, I'm writing Dear Mr. Smith. Now, starting with the purpose, I clearly mentioned I'm writing to apply for the position of marketing assistant, which was advertised on your company website. So, herein I have hypothetically thought about a position. on the basis of job opening that I have thought about, which is marketing assistants. Now I will be creating my degrees, my experience, and my alignment to the content. So I have written, I have a bachelor's degree in marketing and over 2 years of experience working as a marketing team at this company. During my time here, I developed strong skills in digital marketing, customer relations, and data analysis, which I believe would make me a valuable asset to your team. Additionally, I have excellent communication and organization skills, which will enable me to contribute effectively to the ongoing marketing campaigns. So, see, herein I have made sure that all the qualities, all my education is related to which are required in marketing assistant. The next paragraph makes a request to meet in person. So, I have written, I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to meet you to discuss how my qualifications align with the requirements of the position. Please let me know a convenient time for an interview. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to hear from you soon. Yours sincerely, thank you. I hope this video was informative about. Do follow us for more such videos.